Fotopedia.
Bitumen of Judea, or Syrian asphalt, or asphaltum is a naturally occurring asphalt. Bitumen of Judea has been put to many uses since ancient times. It was employed by Egyptians for embalming for their dead. It may be used as a colorant for wood, for an aged, natural, and rustic appearance. Bitumen of Judea is found on the surface of the Dead Sea. It has also been found underground in America, China, the island of Trinidad, France, Germany, Seychelles, Ussel, etc., and in the Carpathian Mountains. Bitumen has a complex and varied structure of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, containing a small proportion of nitrogen and sulfur. A commercial sample of bitumen of Judea contained 3.14% of sulfur. The bitumen, initially soluble in spirits and oils, was hardened and made insoluble after its exposure to light. Its hardening in proportion to its exposure to light is understood to be due to further cross-linking of the rings, as is the hardening of tree resins by light, first noted by the Swiss pastor, Jean Sennebier of Geneva. Jean Sennebier, in 1782. French scientist and inventor, Nicéphore Niepce, used bitumen of Judea as a light-sensitive material in inventing photography in the 1820s. In 1826 or 1827, he applied a thin coating of bitumen of Judea to a pewter plate, and took a picture of parts of the buildings of his estate, producing what is usually described as the first photograph. It is considered to be the oldest known surviving photograph made in a camera. Nicéphore Niepce called this first complete photographic process heliography.